What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're checking out this HDTV antenna. So its cable length is 10 feet, gain 3 to 5 dB. Yeah, so let's go ahead. It can be set up very quickly and easy. Well, let's find out. You know me, we just gotta get to the point. Let's go. Woo! All right. Well, this is an interesting looking thing. Kind of cool little antenna here. And this is the base. So basically this just threads on like this. And now you can stick that wherever you want. If you have double-sided tape, you could actually mount that on a wall or something. And now you plug this in the back of your TV, and that's it. And now you should get channels, right? Well, let's find out. All right, guys, we got our antenna set up here. So now we just need to go and search our TV for different stations.
The trouble with collectibles is damage can...
I mean, there's tons and tons of channels. So the antenna is definitely working. All these different channels we got now, all thanks to this little antenna. So it does work. And every channel seems to have no static, so that's awesome.